Alright, we're at El Yucatan or whatever rainforest, national forest in Puerto Rico. And I'm shooting this because they said they never have ever had snow in Puerto Rico. Not one flake has fallen, but it's funny. Here's the chimney up at the top there. And there's a fireplace. So I figured since a fireplace guy, we should get a picture of the fireplace. Coming through. So this building's out in the rainforest. There's one, Kim. Look at them all, Kim. You see them on the wall?
Oh yeah, look at that. I
Yeah.
didn't see them.
There's the fireplace. And here's all the snails attached to the wall. He's neat. Look how nice light color he is. Yeah, there's a big one up there. And there's one there. Yeah, they're funny. Here's another one of those little guys. These little weird ones, all right. Where's he at? Where'd he go?
Right
Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's neat. Look at him. Nice colors. There's a big one on the side there, too. It's pretty neat that they build all these out in the rainforest. I don't know how much dry wood you're going to get out here to burn. Pretty neat, big stone fireplace. Definitely been here a long time. Here's another one, the snails. There's a snail on this side too. He's just hanging out. This chimney, this fireplace is old. It's pretty cool looking. Yeah, these buildings are all concrete. It's amazing how they build them today. Very neat. Definitely in the rainforest. Alright. That's pretty cool.